Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen here at Mama's Kitchen, cooking out of Mama's Magazine. Today we're doing a perfect side for this time of year. You've got new start of the year parties or maybe winding down last year parties. Everybody needs a good side dish. So today we're doing an asparagus casserole. Now have y'all ever wondered, I wonder if people on TV or internet or anywhere have to cook things that they don't like. Yeah, today's the day. I don't like asparagus, but I hope you like asparagus, and if you do, this is a very easy recipe. You see here we got a 2-quart casserole. I got a couple good bunches of asparagus in there, and I've washed these, and you just snap the bottom is how you know. Where an asparagus breaks, that's where it needs to be broken. You don't want to get that tough end in there at all. So we're gonna go to a casserole favorite, mushroom soup. So half this can of mushroom soup is gonna go on top of our asparagus here. Now, y'all don't be calling Mama and telling her I don't like her recipes or Jamie said this wasn't good. Everybody is allowed to like what they like. And when I had asparagus when I was a little boy, I had to go to the bathroom shortly thereafter and I said, ooh, that smells funny, Mama. And she said, oh, it was asparagus. And I said, okay, I'm out. So I'm out on asparagus. Half the soup goes on top of that. Now watch this. I got some fresh peas. Now I love English peas. Love, love, love peas. And this is the part that's a little, Mama, what are you thinking? We're gonna slice some boiled eggs and put it on top of here. It sure looks pretty. I've got 3 boiled eggs here that I think is going to be a pretty good cover here for us. I'm going to spread these around. We're going half the cheese. We're going to use every bit of this casserole tea. Okay, I'm going to push this down a little bit.
I need to get your melted butter, so we're going to have to take a quick break after you do the soup.
Okay, well look, I'm going to spread the rest of this soup on top of here. And we're gonna reset, and when you get back, we'll finish this delicious asparagus casserole. Okay, y'all, here we are. This is one of my favorite casseroles in the whole world. This is asparagus casserole, y'all know. I got a sleeve of some butter crackers, and I've got a little bit of butter here. We're gonna mix these things together. So what I did is fresh asparagus on the bottom, right? English peas, half a can of mushroom soup. We slice some boiled eggs on there. We put in half the cheese, so I'm gonna top the rest of this off with cheese.
Yum.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. I kid about asparagus. I will tell you that I haven't had asparagus casserole, but my wife does fresh asparagus on a sheet pan with a little bit of olive oil and Parmesan cheese. That's really good too. Then I'm going to take basically this is our topping. It sure is pretty.
It is very pretty.
I love all these colors. I trust my mama. She's got me here this far, so we're going to see where this gets us. We're going to spend about 25 minutes in the oven. And when we come back, y'all, we're eating stinky TT. I mean, we're eating asparagus casserole. Hey, y'all, thanks for sticking around. The wait's over. Here it is. We've got Mom's asparagus casserole with some eggs and some peas. This is the start of a new year, y'all, so how about trying a new dish? I was afraid. So, we work through things with our recipes. You might want to, I would consider maybe cutting this asparagus before we put it in here. Because you know how asparagus is. It's pretty fibrous. That's enough for us to taste there. Plus, it's going to be hot as the blazes. If you love asparagus, y'all can trust Mom. This is a delicious recipe. Let me let it cool off a little bit. Okay, here we go. Give it a taste. I got asparagus tip in there. Really, really good. I like how it holds its firmness. Let's try this egg right here too with the peas. Mama, I'm sorry, I stand corrected. It's good. Thank y'all for tuning in today. I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful, prosperous, healthy year coming ahead. That's really good. You know what I was gonna do? I was gonna swap a cookie out instead of eating asparagus casserole, and I'm glad I tried it. It's good, you should try it too. I'm Jamie Deen, this is Good Food. We'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.